Another basic wire wrapping technique is a spiral. This is a great option for decorative tendrils. We're going to start with some 20 gauge wire for our spiral, and we're going to need just one pair of pliers. We're going to use a pair of flat nose pliers that are super pointy at the end, also known as chain nose pliers. We're going to take the end of our wire and we're going to pinch it in the very tip of our pliers. And we're going to fold it inwards. This is going to be the start of our spiral. We're now going to pinch that little loop closed, and we're going to grab it in our pliers and start rotating that wire around. You're going to want to hold your pliers really tight during this. You can see that I'm holding most of that spiral in those pliers. I want a really strong grip on it. This will flatten out your wire ever so slightly. Continue pinching and wrapping as much as you'd like for the desired size of your spiral. Once you reach the size that you want, depending on how you have it oriented, you can leave the wire coming out like this, or you can add a gentle bend to it to have it come out a little more straight right from the center. You can do that with your pliers or your fingers. And that's how to make a wire wrapped spiral.